Gold medalist of today's 50-meter three position, Liu Yukun. I mean, you haven't won a medal since 2017. What were you doing in the meantime?
2017年之后就没有得到过那个奖牌，有什么中间经历了什么？
中间一直在训练，然后也一直在换了一个项目的训练，再换一个项目一直在训练。
Yeah. During the meantime, I'm just training as normal and focus on the air rifle.
And what happened today that got you to the top?
今天是发生了什么？就是让你能够发挥的这么好啊，得到了金牌。
可乐比较好喝。
Yeah, the Coca-Cola here is quite perfect.
What is perfect?
Coca-Cola. Cola.
The Coca-Cola here?
Yeah, he likes the cola quite very much. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Hopefully you have more success in your career and more Coca-Cola.
祝你以后在那个职业生涯当中能够喝到更多的可乐，拿到更多的金牌。
我也很希望。
Congratulations once again.